Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Makeup Masterclass Monday, where I teach you one beginner level makeup skill and technique that you can incorporate into your already existing makeup routine. All of these videos are meant to be unintimidating, they're meant to be easy to follow, and just to give you some tips and tricks that you just need a little bit of to nudge you in the right direction to becoming a little bit more intermediate level with makeup. If you like this type of content, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up. That really helps YouTube know that I am a legitimate creator and then lets them push out my videos in front of a greater audience. And of course, if you're into this type of thing and if you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and do that now because I would love to see you every single week. In today's class, I am going to be teaching you how to do that super sexy winged cat liner that everyone loves. This is by far the most requested video I've ever gotten. It can be an intimidating thing to do and it can be a little bit challenging when you are starting. I actually remember learning how to do a winged liner in makeup school and being stuck on it forever. It's like I didn't know how to look at the mirror and what products to use. So I'm here to decode the whole entire thing and make it easier for you guys to achieve this look. So let's get started by talking about products first. The first type of eyeliner product that works quite well when creating a wing is the felt tip applicator style eyeliner product. So there is one here by Kat Von D and there's one here by Pure Cosmetics. They're both waterproof liquid eyeliner pens. The nice thing about them when you open them up is that you see it has a nice sharp edge and it is felt on the top. So you can just draw your eyeliner on like you do, drawing on paper with a felt tip pen. The control is pretty good. I would say that this is more of a beginner level product. So if you are stuck on how to do a winged liner, this is a great place to start. It's a little bit easier than a more traditional liquid eyeliner style product, but the only thing is that I find you can't get a super sharp wing. I always find with this type of product, sometimes it will skip along the lash line, so you have to go back and forth a few times. It's hard to get that really tight little end tail. It will work for sure and it will look great, but if you're going to be picky on the tightness of that end, this may not necessarily be the product that you want to choose. The second product that I want to talk about is a gel eyeliner. So this one is by MAC. We all know it, Pro Longwear Fluid Line Black Track. So this is a gel liner in a pot. You want to use this with an angled brush, a nice dense angled brush. The nice thing about this product is that it's forgiving. So I'd always like to say that a beginner level or a medium level makeup artist is able to use this quite easily because if you make a mistake, you're able to blend it away. It's movable pigment, so you're able to smudge it into the lash line or to smoke it out at the end and give yourself a wing that's a little bit of that has a smokier effect to it. But my ride or die product, the product that I cannot live without, that I can't do a winged liner without, is a traditional liquid eyeliner. This one is by L'Oreal in Carbon Black. This one, L'Oreal Liner Intense. The nice thing about this particular liner is that it has a paintbrush style applicator, so the end is quite floppy and it's nice and tight, and I find that I can get a really, really great little tight end line with this particular product. This is not a waterproof product, so if you have a bride or are a bride and you want to do this on yourself, then don't go for this one, go for the MAC one. I actually have it right here in silver. I just looked in my kit and realized that I have it in silver. So this is the liquid lash liner. It also has that nice tight little applicator that's more like a paintbrush style, and you can get it in lots of different colors, including some fun colors. This one's like a metallic silver, but this is incredibly waterproof to the point where it's actually annoying to wear on a day-to-day basis. I always want to wear my liquid liner on a day-to-day basis, so I've stopped using it because it's almost impossible to get off. Even with eye makeup remover, you really have to pull. and like tug at the eye to kind of get it off. I've tried baby oil, I've tried everything. If you guys know how to take that eyeliner off, then leave a comment in the comment section because I need help with that. It really, really is such a challenge for me. Aside that, let's get right to the point. I'm gonna do my demo with this liner by L'Oreal because I just love the applicator and I love the finish of it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to position your face into the mirror so that your brows are up and you're looking down. I'm actually gonna take a video of that on my phone to show you guys what I mean. So this is my mirror, this is what I see. So when I'm doing my eyeliner, I actually want to look down into the mirror like this, because as you can see, I have my entire eyelid exposed. So when I'm painting and drawing, I can see exactly what I'm doing. If you try to paint your eyeliner on like this, it's not gonna happen because your eyes are blocking the line. You need to look all the way down into the mirror and paint accordingly. Step number one is to grab that eyeliner and make sure that your end is nice and clean. I'm gonna start by painting the first half of my eye and then connecting that to the end of my eye. We're not even gonna do a wing just yet. Because this is such a liquid product, it doesn't skip over the lines like the felt tip ones sometimes do. It's really nice and fluid. Once you look at where your crease is sitting and where your eye is, you can start to create the angle you want that's gonna work with your eye shape. If I had a really heavy crease here, I don't wanna go into the crease because when I open my eyes, this crease is going to drop and it's gonna split the line. So if I look straight, I can't open my eyes so I don't smudge. I know that I have a space here where my eyeliner can trail up and still look good when my eye is open. When I've mapped that out, I'm gonna go ahead and draw that line. Now I think this is where people get stuck. They'll stop here, but this is not the end of the road. We're only halfway there. Now we're gonna connect the tip of this line into the center of the eyelid. We want to create a triangle shape right in here in order to get that perfect winged look. And there you have it. You end up with a really nice, perfect line that way. Okay, I'm gonna look at you guys like this because this is wet and I don't want it to get all over the top of my lid. So now in order to create the line here, we're gonna follow the exact same steps, but we need to think about the angle of this line in proportion to this line. So I didn't go super high. I actually went more of a straight cat line today. So when I'm drawing this liner, I don't want to tilt it up too high or it's gonna look off and you're gonna look a little bit strange. So I wanna see where this line ends and I wanna line it up to this eyebrow and do the exact same shape on this side. Now before you look up or do anything, you wanna make sure to let this fully dry or you're gonna have to start again. All right, so now I'm gonna go and put my lashes on and I'll be right back. If you want to know how I put my lashes on and all the details regarding that, then go check out that Makeup Masterclass Monday playlist. It's the first video in that series. And there you go. Pop on those lashes, finish off the look, and you have a gorgeous winged liner. This look goes really, 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 really well with a red lip. That's why I am rocking MAC Ruby Woo today. But you can also modernize it and use a nude lip with it as well. You can put it on top of a smoky eye. You can put it on top of a nude bare eye like I have on today. You can do a daytime look with it or a nighttime look. It's so versatile. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a request for Makeup Masterclass Monday, leave it in the comment section below. And if not, I will see you next time. I love you. Bye.